bridge here is like a no-go. Try and get down there. Put this gate here when I could just... That will cut ya. See what this faded sign says. Oh, no. Cut this wall. Didn't make it. That would be really good footage, but very expensive. Oh, lucky I'm authorized. I was up there. That's sick. Yo, what's going on, and welcome back to another adventure. So I'm down here at Serpentine Dam with my unicycle, which is somewhere over there. We're gonna rewind back to the car and start this adventure, but before we do that, just make sure, if you haven't already done so, make sure you click that little subscribe button somewhere in this corner and leave a big thumbs up if you think this video is good, and let's get on with the adventure. I believe that's a pretty good view. Let's go exploring! Run. Whoa. Oh, it echoes. Woo! You know what I'm like with echoes. I'm making this a constant thing. There's like a car that just went past. First car I've seen since I've been here. So I was just watching it. But we're gonna go down there and on with the adventure. Oh, I'm so down, I'm gonna make up this wall. Didn't make it. Oh, hang on. Hello! So there's the bridge that you can drive on. Like, look at the curvature of those rocks. It's so cool. This is my delay. Do you reckon I could sing? What should I sing? We come from a land down under. Yeah, it works. I really just want to come down here. One, it says slippery when wet, but there's not even a single drop of water in here. And obviously there is, eventually at some point somewhere in its life, maybe more in winter. But I just, oh wait, it's cooler this side. That's just sick. Let's see if we can get Sparky the drone in the air. So like the other day when I crashed the drone in my other video, I sort of like cracked the propeller here. I don't know if the GoPro's picking it up or not, but there's sort of a second in flight there that I was flying backwards, and it's sort of like the drone noise of it flying stopped for a second, and I had the most gutterless butterflies I've ever had, because I legit thought it had stopped and it was falling from the sky. That would be really good footage, but very expensive. So yeah, in like real news, I have to get another propeller. It's 528. And ooh, sand. Up a hill, not helpful. Slipped. Basically, just coming up this hill to just see the dam from all its glory.